Hello, stock traders. I hope all of you are having a fantastic day this morning. I got some new stuff for you, and in this video, I am going to give you and cover yesterday's pick and talk about how it moved between support and resistance levels and show you that on the chart. I'm also going to give you one new stock that I talked about last week, but it wasn't quite ready for us to enter yet. But now it might be the time. I'm going to talk about why I think so. So far, year to date, I am up 0.84%. We've only had a couple days, but looking forward to another fantastic year. I am not a financial advisor. Of course, you need to do your own due diligence. Please have a strategy for every stock that you enter. But before we get going, if you could do me a favor and please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. Also, if you were to share this video with your friends, that would honor me a great deal. I would really appreciate it. And we have a Patreon group, and I have a link in the description down below, which is one great trade. You will easily make up the small amount that it costs. And it's well worth it. There's lots of strategies being talked about in there, and you can learn my insider swing play and my PDUFA run-up play just by being in there and seeing exactly how I enter, how I exit, and the standard rooms and premium rooms also. All right, so I have one sale to talk about, and I'll just put it in the description down below if you are curious. For those of you that are following along with my different sales, then that is where you can see that is in the description down below. Well, let's get right into it. But let's start off with this cry cut and talk about these different levels. Now, yesterday, it was right here, and all those buys were right in this range. I'm going to kind of zoom in. We're right in this range right here. And I talked about how this was the next important level of resistance, how this was an important level, how it passed it, how before it came up to it, got rejected, came above it, got rejected again, came all the way back down to support, and then popped back up again to it. Well, I had talked about that the insider activity most likely was going to take it beyond this level of resistance, and then we could bounce and go to the next level. That's exactly what happened. So now looking forward, we're looking to beat and get above this 2350 level. Getting beyond that is really important, and then coming back to it, we could see another jump with the short percentage that's in this and the insider activity. We could see another jump all the way to 25 and then beyond there to 27. But it's so important to learn how to do these levels, to learn how and look for previous support and resistance and important levels within the stock. You can see how the stock has bounced either up or down, and this has been a pivot point in the past. And pivot points in the past turn into resistance or support in the future. And so that's how you do that, and take a look at that. All right. Well, let's get into the new stock. Now, this was not ready the last time I talked about it. I'm talking about ticker symbol PRPL. And this is Purple Innovation. And this is an insider swing play. And we've had some more significant insider activity just reported in Tuesday aftermarket. So you were watching this Wednesday morning. This is extremely fresh. You even haven't yet. The market hasn't even been open while this insider activity has taken place. So this is a good stock to take a look at today. And I think it's going to have a great day on Wednesday. We shall see how it does. But now it's finally at support. And of course, you want to buy at support, and you want to sell at resistance levels. It's really, really important. And so some of the different target levels that I have, one support level is 1250. I'd love it if it dipped down to 1250. Would love to buy some more shares there, but I'm willing to spend a little bit more than that and get in it just so that we can, get in it at a good average. But I like it to hit this resistance level right at $13.80, and that's where I expect it to get to and above. So getting above that level and even to that level and above that level is really, really big for the price of the stock. Now it is a little bit better volume. Before it was overbought. It's a lot better value, excuse me. And we've had a MACD golden cross down here. So a lot of things going on. And let me tell you what else happened with Purple. Purple had a big purchase by Coliseum Capital, and they bought at an average of $13.25. So they bought no man's land again. So they must really believe in this stock and really really believe in it. It was over $4.1 million worth. And anyway, it was a very good purchase as far as volume goes. It shows a lot of conviction. It was not a very skilled purchase. You can definitely get it for a lot cheaper than that, probably on Wednesday morning. But anyway, I talked about this last week, and so this is finally the time. I feel really good about it, especially if you can get it, I would say under 12.85 or maybe up to 13. If you can get in under 13, I expect we could see a move to 14 as soon as tomorrow and maybe even further. So I like the stock for a big move with the insider activity. Lots of repeated insider activity, and the stock has not performed well since it just bounced against this level over and over again. Well, now with more insider activity, that's a lot of buying pressure, and so the buying pressure continues. And I think this is finally the time where we can see this stock start to move. I wish you all the best in the stock market. Please reach out to me in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. Hope you have a fantastic trading day on Wednesday, and Raythoven out.